I've had a couple different lives so far. It's completely changed the trajectory of my life being at Portland State, and like I really feel like I learned how to think here. I've really had to challenge my own beliefs. I live in my vehicle, but I chose that. So it's vastly different than people who are experiencing houselessness and living on the street or living in like a small vehicle. You know, like I can spread out. Living in the van, I just have a lot more choice, a lot more freedom. I really didn't have a lot of people that were native that I could look up to in like that position of power. I think it's important for me to strive for that, to show other native students that like it's possible. I would just challenge students to like try and find something that is kind of the middle ground between like making money and also like something that they could see themselves doing for the rest of their life. For me, it was important to just like kind of put myself out there in different spheres and figure out, you know, what I didn't like in order to figure out what I did like.